Single ladies, lower your expectations, honey. Please do it for me. Do it.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm actually with Kimmy. Kimmy, the popular Kimmy. Kimmy, the business lady. Yes, so Kimmy also has a YouTube channel. Her channel is actually Kimmy's Empire.
Yes.
She has great content there. She has done a lot of collab with Wodamaya, Traveler Queen, Jamaris Jenga from Kenya. So welcome, Kimmy. Welcome to my channel.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, so guys, Kimmy is an engaged woman. Today we're gonna go like out of all the things that you do. It's not gonna be related to what you do or anything like that. We're just getting more personal.
Yeah.
And Kimmy is engaged, and we want to know. I myself want to know. Kimmy, how did you get to that point? What did you do? What is it that one must do to have?
Well,
Please,
they're probably
tell me.
wondering where's my ring.
Oh,
Well, I don't have
where's
it
your
now.
ring?
I don't have it now. I'll tell you one day where it is. And
Really?
why I don't have it now. But
No.
there
Okay.
are no changes. The wedding is still on.
Okay.
Still mine. I'm still his. So, yeah.
We are each other's.
Yeah, but you don't get the guy. He gets you.
You don't get the guy.
He
The
gets
guy gets you.
you. Yes. Question is, at what point? Well, I believe from the beginning the guy knows already. Especially if you are close to each other, it's not a long distance relationship. You see each other more often, right? So the guy will be able already to tell within a month or 2 months. He can tell already that this is the kind of a woman I want to be with. Because as women, we are so real. Within a week, that's why you hear people, I found the love of my life in a week. You see, women we love so fast.
Yeah, we do.
Like more, I don't know So I think from the beginning, like within 2 months or within a month,
The guy already knows
yes, the guy knows
that you are the one.
You are the one. The thing is, sometimes we are just, maybe, do I say we are so ignorant? The signs are there that this guy is a guy that wants to settle, or is a guy that is not ready, or this guy is the one that one day he wants to have a family or not. So those signs are there. They're always there. It's just like we force things. I believe we force things.
The ladies now.
Yes. That's why you see people are stuck in abusive relationship, because they probably will say, no, what will the community say, or what will my family
What
say,
other people
or
will
my
say.
friends say, no, I changed too much, what.
Yeah, but people think, like, being afraid that people will label you as the girl that just jumped from one man to another man.
Which one is better?
Yeah.
To be beaten up every day, to be cheated on every day, than trying to find until you find your
the
person.
one.
So I believe, and I'm sure, please confirm. Correct me if I'm wrong, gentlemen.
Gentlemen, yes.
I believe they know.
They know.
From the
So
beginning.
then I don't understand why, if the guys can actually tell that easily within a month or 2 or whatever,
or within a year,
or within a
but
year,
I know
why there's some that will still keep you when they know
exactly
for sure
they
don't want
marry,
to
or
marry
they
you.
don't see any future.
Yeah, or you find where like a guy was with this one for like 2 or 4, 5, 6 years, and then you just meet one girl. They've known each other 2 months, 3 months. You hear they're getting married.
That's what I'm saying. They know. That's why you'll be there thinking, I've been with this guy for 8 years, and now he's telling me, oh, I'm hearing rumors that he's getting married. So was he cheating on me, or he started cheating on me, or what? He met that girl within a year, and he's already proposing. Why? Because he's already seeing the kind of a woman in that woman, and that's exactly what he's looking for. So all along he was looking, or he was keeping you just maybe to entertain him, or hoping that he would change, or maybe just while he's searching.
Okay. So okay, since the lady is, let me say me, I won't know that I'm actually not his one. How do you know? Does he now tell you that like you are my one, or do you see from his action? How do you know also you yourself as a lady that he has decided that you are his one?
See, the guy, men are like this. Like they say, help your person or whatsoever, groom your person. So if that man really wants you, you will see how he treats you. He would treat you like a queen. He would say, no, I will do this because I'm the man. No, I will do this because I want you to be like this. So if he's not doing those things, obviously he's expecting somebody to do it, right? So that person is now what to you?
So his treatment and the way he behaves with you.
Exactly. So I believe those things are already there. I have been there. I've been there. So I know exactly what I'm talking about. That guys, there are those guys that will just come in your life and nothing
is progressing.
Like nothing that is building you.
Yeah.
It's all about when can you see me?
Yes.
This Namibian dudes.
When can you see me? Oh my gosh, come over.
When can you? I'm around. I'm what? So what? It's all about I'm around. When can you come over? When can we meet? Can we go out? It's all about those things. Your real man is the same. I believe your real man, like a man that takes you as his woman. He won't be like every time. He would say, okay, I'm around. I want us to do what, or you see, or even when
something productive.
Yes, every man wants to have his woman around, or whatever, whatsoever, with the friends or those type of things.
Yeah.
But when you are with your man, you can tell the things he's talking, the things he's doing. See, a man with a future, what is he talking about? You see those kind of, it's not just a man who is just talking about soccer, beer, and friends.
So cars, you can actually
cars every time, cars. You don't even have a house.
Exactly.
So if you want a family, are you going to keep your family in your car? 5 kids or 2 kids and their wife sleeping in the car.
Okay, so you say you can also tell from the men's talk. Okay, tell me. Okay, let's say, tell me 3 things that you a real man will actually talk about or discuss with his partner, and then things that will actually help you to tell that this person is actually like they care about you and they see you in the future.
I know the plans. The plans, he will talk about his plans.
That
I
plans.
know.
Okay.
He will talk about his future plans, like, oh, next year I'm thinking of doing what. I'm not talking about the guys that just there to lie.
Yeah,
we have those type of
we
men.
have those.
Yeah, like, see, next year I want to open a company, money. Next year I want to buy a car. Next year I want to marry you. Men don't do those things.
Yeah.
They don't do those things. Real men, they don't do those things. The honesty.
Yeah.
He doesn't lie. So everybody lies.
Okay.
I'm not gonna cover up.
Yeah.
I lie. He does. I lied to him. He lied to me. But not. You understand? So I believe honestly. The future plans.
Yeah, future plans.
Yeah, and
genuinely telling you his future plans.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the maturity.
Maturity
Plays a big role.
You can tell that this person is not childish.
You don't want to marry a childish person. A person who is just always taking things so personal, who is always being dramatic. That's why men would leave a woman who have been with for 8 years than to go to a woman that just so for 2 weeks or 2 months and then say I like you. I give you this ring or whatsoever.
Yeah.
They even do these things of promising or whatsoever. So see, the guy can already tell. And you as well, you can tell. It's just that some of the women, I think we are naive.
That's the thing. When you're in love, you're like blind. You know when they say love is blind.
That's why I don't do those things. That unconditional love, I don't do those things. I don't.
But now Kimi is engaged and you are a married woman. Now I think you can say, I think it's right for you now to say you can do unconditional love. Imagine. So guys, can you see
love
even
you.
someone who is engaged, she still says she doesn't do unconditional love. So that just, it shows you that like you can still love someone, but don't be too naive.
Yes.
You know?
That you won't even see things.
Yeah.
And won't be even be able to tell
what's right or wrong.
what is right or not. That's what I'm saying. Love, but on your way to love somebody, you might lose yourself.
Yeah.
Don't lose focus. Focus, girlfriend. Sissy, focus. You might lose yourself on the way to love the other person.
Yeah.
Before you love the next person, your guy or whatsoever, love yourself. Treat yourself the way you want him to treat you.
Yeah.
That's why I'm telling. I used to tell myself and my friends that, see, I want to be treated as a queen, right?
Yeah.
So I cannot go and tell the person, treat me like a queen.
Yeah.
What if he asks me, do you treat yourself like a queen? You must treat yourself like a queen.
Yeah.
Treat yourself the way you want to be treated. If you are treating yourself like a nobody, that's exactly how people want to treat you. The moment you start treating yourself like you're just there to love other people, if you don't want this, exactly, that's exactly what they're going to do to you.
They'll use you like as a love giver.
Yes.
And they don't return the same love.
Like people take other women like they're just there, like you are a machine. You are there to make kids for him. After you made kids, 5 kids, boom,
It goes.
he goes.
Okay. This is quite interesting. So I learned something. He will know already from a short period of time that you're the one or not.
Yeah,
and then his treatment also, the way he treats you, also matters. And I want to know now. So some of us now have been like, let's say you've been in a relationship, it's going to 4 or 5 years. The guy is not saying anything. He's not saying anything productive. Like you never spoke about serious things. Like it never even got to that point. So,
but the thing
in
is,
that case, what do you do?
sometimes the time doesn't matter. The guy might be, but not financially stable. You don't want to marry somebody who is not financially stable.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about, don't get me wrong, that you should get somebody who is rich. No.
Yeah.
When we are talking about financial stability, so it's somebody who is ready, like who is, can make a financial decision that are not affecting him or you or anybody.
Yeah.
So I believe the guy might be not ready, but you should know your person. If you have been together for 5 years, this guy is, he got a good job, so he got this and he got a house, and why is he not mentioning? But I'm not saying we should pressure our person. Don't pressure your person. That's a problem. The guy, men don't love to be pressured. They don't. They hate that thing. Don't do it.
That's why I even wanted to ask. The next question was like, so if you are now this lady, you are tired of waiting, you want now to get married, the guy is not coming forward. And so is it right for the lady to ask?
That's what
or initiate that?
I love to say as well that don't settle for less.
Yeah.
When you know your value, you don't settle for less.
Yeah.
When you know you are worth this much, I'm not talking about money. You know that, you see, I'm ready, but this person is not ready.
Yeah.
Maybe that person doesn't want marriage things, and it's okay.
Yeah.
We all have rights to decide what we want.
Exactly.
Some people they can be financially stable. They have all everything they need, but they don't want. It's okay not to want to have a family. It's okay not to want to have a child.
Yeah.
It's okay not to want to have a woman or a man. Just be there yourself. It's okay. I think to me it's okay. So if that person doesn't want, or you shouldn't force the person.
Yeah.
Because still, it won't be worth it.
Exactly.
You will be suffering again. Imagine suffering for 60 years.
For the next
60 years,
because you just force someone to marry
exactly you force a person.
Yeah.
And these are the things that are happening.
Yeah.
You see, the guys are just like, no, I was just forced by my parents, or she forced me.
Yeah.
You see, me, I don't want to marry that girl. She just forced me. See, you won't enjoy, because in your marriage you'll be forcing that person to love you, and that guy will still go out.
Exactly.
Because he's not done searching. Let a person finish hunting, and you must finish as well. That's why they love to say, don't jump stages. Well, I don't really believe those things, because or you might mess up. It can only take a second for you to mess up your whole life. But it will take 10 years or 20 years to fix it. But 1 minute, your life is messed up.
Okay, so you must actually take your time, allow the person to search, to still search while they're still with you, if they want.
If they want, although they won't tell you, but you would know. Honey, that's what I'm saying. The signs are already there.
Exactly.
That's why you hear people are fighting. No, I found the messages in your phone. In the phone, but you will see. You are going to your friend, but he's going to talk to a boyfriend. To your boyfriend for the whole weekend. He's outside talking. To who? I know you have a mother, your sister, and whatnot. You may have your private thing or family things.
Yeah.
But every time outside, 12 o'clock, I know your mother won't call you in the middle of the night.
Exactly.
Especially if they know you. Okay, so every time it's, you see, those are the signs I'm talking.
Guys, ladies, please don't ignore the signs. Wake
Don't ignore, and these things are being beaten up. Maybe we can talk about it next time. Toxic relationship. We can talk about it.
Oh, yes,
so
yes.
The signs are always there.
The signs are always there.
Don't be just too blind and ignore the signs. They are there. We are just ignorant, or we just have that thing. What will my friend think?
That's the thing.
My sister says, my brother say, my dad this, my mom this. Your parents lived their life.
Exactly.
Your mom is 50 years. My mother is 50 years, which means she lived already for 50 years.
Yes.
I'm 27. I only lived for 27.
Exactly.
Yes. So allow me.
Yeah.
Allow me to make my own decision. Exactly. Especially when I'm grown enough to make my own decision. I mean, I pay my own bills, which means I can decide which one. I'm a grown-ass woman. Oh, sorry. I'm a grown woman. So I can tell which one is good for me.
Yeah.
Yes, I need my parents. I need them. Like they say, your parents are always right. But it's not always. I'm not saying our parents are dead, but it's just something that
it makes sense. Yeah.
But it makes sense. So, okay, my mom is saying this and this. So, you now as a grown person is what you must be able to tell. Yeah. Which are okay. Do I really want this? No, I don't.
No, it makes sense because also like sometimes our parents also pressurize us.
Exactly.
And it doesn't mean they are right. Sometimes it's also because they're having pressure from other people. So
they're comparing you.
They're comparing you with their friends. They say their friends' kids are getting married.
And they want to say, waste your life, fix your life.
So, and it doesn't mean that they are right.
Like
so that's why you must always evaluate yourself.
Yeah, don't let people to say no, get married, your friends are getting married. Like I said, women, we don't find men. A man will find you. And then he will tell you, I want to marry you. So now you coming in and saying, I must fix my life, I must get married. To who? To myself or what? You want me to go in the street and grab people?
They'll get you a boy,
get married to me. And in 2 years or within a year, you are divorced.
Exactly.
Then what?
They will still force you to stay in the marriage because they'll be like, you are embarrassing us in the community, you are embarrassing me and my friends, you are embarrassing our family.
And it's not working out.
Yeah.
I think we should be able to make decisions for ourselves.
This is quite interesting. Quite interesting. So are we going on again?
I don't know.
20 minutes. Okay, no, Kim.
Maybe we'll continue some other time or some other day with more topics. So you guys should let us know in the comment section the type of topics or the type of things you want to hear from us.
Yeah.
Or definitely
because this is quite an interesting one. Like, I like your view. I like your whole perspective on it, and getting it from a woman that is engaged, married actually. It's another one. So
thank you.
Bye guys.
We love you.
We love you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to
please.
And share the video. And please,
somebody else they want to hear it, what we said or what we talked about.
Yes, and head over to Kimmy's channel, please. Go and subscribe, watch her videos, and like and share as well.
Thank you, I appreciate.
I also appreciate. Very, very nice, interesting photo. Okay, bye.
Love you, bye-bye.
Love you, bye.